The Kivu Ebola epidemic was an outbreak of Ebola virus disease that ravaged the Eastern Democratic Republic of the Congo in Central Africa from 2018 to 2020. Between the 1st of August 2018 and the 25th of June 2020, it resulted in 3,470 reported cases. The Kivu outbreak also affected Ituri province, whose first case was confirmed on the 13th of August 2018. In November 2018, the outbreak became the biggest Ebola outbreak in the DRC's history, and had become the second largest Ebola outbreak in recorded history worldwide, behind only the 2013 to 2016 Western Africa epidemic. In June 2019, the virus reached Uganda, having infected a 5-year-old Congolese boy who entered Uganda with his family, but was contained. A military conflict in the region that had begun in January 2015 hindered treatment and prevention efforts. The World Health Organization described the combination of military conflict and civilian distress as a potential, perfect storm that could lead to a rapid worsening of the outbreak. In May 2019, the WHO reported that since January 85 health workers had been wounded or killed in 42 attacks on health facilities. In some areas, aid organizations had to stop their work due to violence. Health workers also had to deal with misinformation spread by opposing politicians. Due to the deteriorating security situation in North Kivu and surrounding areas, the WHO raised the risk assessment at the national and regional level from high to very high in September 2018. In October, the United Nations Security Council stressed that all armed hostility in the DRC should come to a stop to better fight the ongoing EBD outbreak. A confirmed case in Goma triggered the decision by the WHO to convene an emergency committee for the fourth time, and on the 17th of July 2019, the WHO announced a public health emergency of international concern, the highest level of alarm the WHO can sound. On the 15th of September 2019, some slowdown of EBD cases was noted by the WHO in DRC. However, contact tracing continued to be less than 100%. At the time, it was at 89%. As of mid-October, the transmission of the virus had significantly reduced. By then it was confined to the Mandima region near where the outbreak began, and was only affecting 27 health zones in the DRC. New cases dwindled to zero by the 17th of February 2020. But after 52 days without a case, surveillance and response teams on the ground confirmed 3 new cases of Ebola in Beni Health Zone in mid-April. On the 25th of June 2020, the outbreak was declared ended as a new and separate outbreak. The Congolese Health Ministry reported on the 1st of June 2020 that there were cases of Ebola in Equator province in northwestern DRC, described as the 11th Ebola outbreak since records began. This separate outbreak was declared over as of the 18th of November following no reported cases for 42 days. In total there were 130 cases and 55 deaths due to the virus. As indicated below and per numbers offered by the United Nations, the final death toll was 2,280. With a total of 3,470 cases in DRC in almost a 2-year period. This was made very difficult due to the ongoing military attacks in the region, which created a perfect storm for the virus. Despite there being a vaccine, RVSVZEBOVR Ebola Zaire vaccine Live is a vaccine that prevents Ebola caused by the Zaire ebolavirus. The graph of reported cases reflects cases that were not able to have a laboratory test sample before burial as probable cases. On the 1st of August 2018, the North Kivu Health Division notified Congo's health ministry of 26 cases of hemorrhagic fever, including 20 deaths. 4 of the 6 samples that were sent for analysis to the National Institute of Biological Research in Kinshasa came back positive for Ebola, and an outbreak was declared on that date. The index case is believed to have been the death and unsafe burial of a 65-year-old woman on 25 July in Mangina, quickly followed by the deaths of 7 close family members. This outbreak started just days after the end of the outbreak in Equator province. On the 1st of August, just after the Ebola epidemic had been declared, Doctors Without Borders Médecins Sans Frontières arrived in Mangina, the point of origin of the outbreak, to mount a response. On the 2nd of August, Oxfam indicated it would be taking part in the response to this latest outbreak in the DRC. On the 4th of August, the WHO indicated that the current situation in the DRC, due to several factors, warranted a high-risk assessment at the national and regional level for public health. By the 3rd of August, the virus had developed in multiple locations. Cases were reported in 5 health zones: Beni, Butembo, Ocha, Musinan and Mablako, in North Kivu province, as well as Mandima and Mambasa in Ituri province. However, 1 month later there had been confirmed cases only in the Mablako, Mandima, Beni and Ocha health zones. The 5 suspected cases in the Mambasa health zone proved not to be EVD. It was not possible to confirm the 1 probable case in the Musinan health zone and the 2 probable cases